Okay, grade 12s. Another thing people confuse is the velocity at the maximum height, which we just mentioned is 0 meters per second, and the v final just before the ball hits the ground. So obviously, depending on the scenario, if they tell you that the ball hits the ground and stops, then definitely here at the ground, definitely when the ball is at the ground, the velocity is v final is equals to 0, definitely. But remember, there's a final velocity. Most questions will ask for the final velocity just before it hits the ground. And that final velocity, don't confuse it with the velocity at the maximum height and say it's 0. Remember, at the maximum height, the velocity is 0 because it changes from moving up to moving down. So it changes direction from moving up to moving down. But just before it hits the ground, it's still moving downwards. So that means it still has velocity. So its velocity here, just before hitting the ground, it's definitely not 0. That's why here Vf is not equal to 0. So its final velocity just before hitting the ground is not 0.